Hey everyone, welcome to another quick tutorial. For this video, we're going to talk about how to use trigger links inside your SMS campaigns. First, you'll need to be inside the account or location where you'll be using the trigger links. One area where you can find or use trigger links is inside conversations. For example, you have a contact you need to send a message to. Going to be included in the message is a trigger link so that it would trigger an event or an automation for your contact to move on to the next process. Let's start by creating the SMS message. So click on SMS and we'll create a message with the trigger link. Click on the plus sign to add a custom value. We'll use first name, so it will automatically populate the contact's first name. Then we'll put in our phrase to tell them to click on the link. Next, click on the plus sign again. Select Trigger Link and choose the link you wish to include inside the message. Something to remember is that trigger links used within messages cannot be shortened. So just format the message the way you want, maybe include an arrow or something like that to point them over to the link. When we send the message, it will show this link. The length of the link is whatever is propagated by the system, so that will be the link that they'll see. Another area where you can use trigger links within SMS is inside a workflow. For example, we have a follow-up workflow that has an SMS action. So if you click on the SMS action, it'll open the Edit Action tab for the SMS message. Essentially, this is the same thing we just did on the Conversations tab. There's a drop-down selection for the trigger links. Just choose the trigger link you wish to use and save the action. The link that you see here will change to the same link that you saw on the Conversation tab I showed you earlier. A third way to access trigger links for SMS messaging is inside a message template. To get there, navigate to the Marketing tab, click on Templates, click on Add Templates, click on Add Text Template, and you'll see the trigger link drop-down selection. You can create the SMS message here as a template. So those are the three different ways you can add trigger links to SMS messaging within the system. If you have any other questions, don't hesitate to ask. Have a good day. Thanks for watching this short how-to video. For more how-to videos, check out the High Level How-Tos playlist in the High Level YouTube channel.